This is the small LCD freezer machine. This part here, it is for the hot plate, and this part, it is for cooling plate. It has the vacuum pump built in. And you see here there is one blue tube which connects with the nitrogen tank here. And this part, this will go through with this tank also. It will have the nitrogen go through with this machine. And the blue tube, it will give the power. Here you can see the nitrogen tank. This tank you can get in your country usually. You can get at local together with the nitrogen gas. And beside just an power wire to connect with the electricity. Okay. And this part for the cooling plate, usually it is fit for the LCD screen around 7 inches. The size will be the same for the hot plate part.